cell volume. It is defined as volume of packed cell. Normal value of hematocrit in males and females, that is different. In males it is 40 to 50% and in females it is 37 to 47%. Now, there are physiological as well as pathological variations in hematocrit value. Conditions in which packed cell volume or hematocrit decreases. Physiological causes for decrease in the hematocrit, they are pregnancy, and in females hematocrit is physiologically less. Pathological causes, they are in various types of anemia, hematocrit is less. Now, conditions in which packed cell volume increases. Physiological causes are in newborn babies as well as in infants. Hematocrit is more at higher altitude because of hypoxia. Erythropoiesis is stimulated. Now, pathological conditions in which packed cell volume increases, they are polycythemia as well as various types of hypoxia in which erythropoiesis increases, and in hemo concentration like in vomiting and diarrhea, when blood gets concentrated, hematocrit value may be increased.
Procedure: fill the Winthrop's tube with blood. We use venous blood which is mixed with anticoagulant, double oxalate or EDTA. We are filling the Winthrop's tube up to 10 cm mark, which is 100%. If the level of blood crosses the mark, use a dropper to remove the extra blood. Please do not use cotton swab or blotting paper or any other absorbent material for this purpose. Otherwise, error from the top of the blood column, which can be deducted from the final result. Filling of the Winthrop's tube requires special care since air bubbles may be trapped and cause damage to the red blood cells. Now, place the Winthrop's tube in one of the cups of the centrifuge and place a Winthrop's tube containing water in the opposite cup. Centrifuge it for 30 minutes at 3000 rotations per minute speed, and after 30 minutes switch off the centrifuge and allow it to stop by itself. Don't use the brake. Take out the Winthrop's tube and read the value of packed cell volume directly of the graduation given on the. After centrifugation, 3 layers are formed. They are clear plasma which is present on the top, red blood cell layer that is present below, and in between these two there is buffy layer which contains WBCs and platelets. Thickness of buffy coat increases in severe leukocytosis, leukemia, and marked increase in the platelet count. Now, some Viva questions related to packed cell volume. Significance of estimating packed cell volume. It is used as a simple screening test for anemia. Packed cell volume also enables the calculation of absolute values. Another question is there any difference in the packed cell volume of arterial and venous blood? Answer: RBCs are swollen in the venous blood due to chloride shift, and this is why packed cell volume of venous blood is normally 3% greater than that of arterial blood. This is all about packed cell volume.
Thank you.